This is the Geometric Distribution Interactive Calculator, which calculates probabilities for the number of trials needed until the first success occurs. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: probability of first success on trial K, cumulative probability, Px, K, complement cumulative Pxk, expected value and variance, find trial number for given cumulative probability, and probability in interval AB. For this demonstration, I'll use probability of first success on trial K. Below that, you'll find the success probability, P, field where you enter the probability of success on each trial. The trial number K field is where you specify which trial you're interested in. There are also fields for cumulative probability, lower bound, A, and upper bound, B, used for other calculation modes. Let's work through an example with success probability, P, set to 0.15, and trial number K set to 5. After clicking Calculate, we get probability Pxk equals 0.07830001, meaning there's about a 7.8% chance of getting your first success exactly on the 5th trial. The calculator also shows cumulative Px k equals 0.55569295, indicating there's about a 55.6% chance of achieving success within the first 5 trials. This calculator streamlines geometric distribution calculations for reliability testing and quality control applications. Find the link in the description below.